Okay, Cold Beers 82 here, May 22nd. We're in Wilson, New York. We're going to go fishing for,
Doing some salmon fishing this morning.
on Bite Fork. See the name down there. We got Jackson, Marvin, John,
Colton.
Colton. We're going out at 6 o'clock in the morning. Just going to see how we're going to fish and what kind of fish we're going to catch.
So we're gonna be doing some salmon trolling this morning, using mostly spoons off of downriggers, some nifty divers, maybe some long leg core and top lines.
Okay, stay tuned. Good luck sign right there, guys. Shine down on us. Pretty cool. All right, stand by.
I am not worried in the slightest.
All right, Johnny's hooked up.
Really? That's a long trout. That's a long trout. Really? That's so much fun. That's so fun. Really? You had it all to yourself? Man. Must that be nice? Yeah. No, he said Russ. He loses his mind. You can sit on the floor there if you want. Oh, cartel. There. Okay.
All right, come up here.
Stay right in the back here.
Tell you to walk back. Oh, it's a tank. Nice and easy. Keep.
A little bit more.
One more.
Oh yeah. Nice one, Marv.
Oh,
Good fish, Marv. Look how dark he is.
dude, he's thick.
That's a tank.
That's a 20.
That's a tank. Nice, Marv. Good fish.
Oh
Good
yeah.
freaking fish.
Woo!
That's a good one.
Here's your 20, maybe.
20 pounds, you think, Jackson?
I think he's 20.
He's probably pushing 20.
Yeah.
20.
Might be. He's big.
Here you go, 20.
He's big, man.
All right, Greg's got another one on.
There you go, guys. Hope yours ate too. Nice fish. Real nice. How about? Pretty. Oh, we took that fish.
A 3-year-old. Oh, a 3-year-old. Yep. My bad.
Fish on. Oh, look at that thing. I seen that thing flash. Take it easy, Jackson. You're worse than me sometimes. On the shore, I see that raw go like this, man. I'm like, I'm all excited.
Oh yeah.
I seen that thing flash. Them things are fast.
Oh, they're very fast, dude. I mean, they're like steelhead, right? They say that steelhead can swim in bursts of 27 feet a second.
Yeah.
So I think these are faster.
Yeah, they're pretty fast. I seen that thing going like that underwater. Seen that.
You'll see them some like the real big ones. They do what we call sharking. But I got it.
Johnny's hooked up. He got a big one on.
Oh yeah. Well, they're very fast. Okay, they're like steelhead, right? They say that steelhead can swim in bursts of 27 feet a second. So I think these are faster. You'll see some like the real big ones. They do what we call sharking. Oh.
Nice.
Nice job.
That's good. Yeah, you're better boy, Johnny.
We'll see if we can catch one. We'll see if we can catch one. Is that a call or a kick? Oh, don't aim back to the leg. We worked hard for that one. Nice.
Nice. Better boy, Johnny. We're at rough seas here, but we're catching fish. All the boats went in. We stay out. We catch fish.
I only got a diver bite. Head slaps like that never come. Like to catch it though.
Hooked up again on Team Bite Force.
got a diver bite. I'll call Dave.
He's still reeling. Come on, Greggy, crank her in there.
Ain't gonna be real bad in either.
Nah. Heading in. Heading in. Stand by. Stand by. Okay, guys, Cold Beers 82 here. We just finished the fishing trip with Jackson. We loaded up on a cooler, so we're good to go. So, Jackson, what's your name? Colton, Johnny, and Marvin. Anything you want to say to the people?
Well, we had a great time, awesome fishing. I think the best I ever had. And then you gotta try it. Once a lifetime thing. I think we'll be coming back every year. Okay, a really good time. Thanks, Bite Force and Jackson and Colton. Showed us a really good day.
What Marvin say all the time?
Stand by.
Stand by.